Ever wondered why some designs stand out while others simply blend into the background? Well, the secret lies in the clever application of design principles and elements. Consider the case of the iconic I Love New York logo designed by Milton Glaser in 1977. This simple yet powerful design has become one of the most recognized logos worldwide. But why? It's all about the principles and elements of design at play. The logo uses the principle of contrast to make it visually appealing. The rounded, soft-edged typography of I in New York contrasts sharply with the hard-edged, square shape of the red heart. This contrast catches the eye, making the logo stand out. The logo also uses the design element of color to convey emotion. The red heart symbolizes love and passion, while the black typography suggests strength and resilience, attributes often associated with New York City. The principle of alignment is also at work here. The elements are not scattered randomly, but are aligned to create a sense of order and cohesion. The eye, the heart, and New York are all aligned on a common axis, creating a harmonious and balanced design. Another principle applied is repetition. The consistent use of simple, bold shapes, the round eye, the square heart, and the block letters of New York, creates a rhythm that's pleasing to the eye. The I Love New York logo is a prime example of how the principles and elements of design can be applied to create a memorable and effective design. So, what are these principles and elements? Design principles, such as contrast, alignment, and repetition, guide how we arrange elements in a design to achieve a balanced and harmonious composition. Design elements, on the other hand, are the basic units of a design, like color, shape, and typography. These elements are the building blocks that we use to create our designs. Understanding and applying these principles and elements is the key to creating designs that are visually appealing and convey the desired message effectively. In conclusion, design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about using principles and elements to create a visual language that communicates a message. Whether it's the I Love New York logo or any other design, the clever application of these principles and elements is what makes a design stand out. So next time you see a design that catches your eye, take a moment to analyze it. Try to identify the principles and elements at work. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn from just observing and analyzing designs. Remember, design is a powerful tool for communication. Use it wisely, and your designs will not only look good, but they'll also convey your message effectively and resonate with your audience. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of design. Subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Until next time, keep designing.